Hi everyone! In this video I would like to show possibilities of soft pastel sketch as a study for the large oil painting. I am going to paint this nice Macedonia view as a large painting, and for the making composition and composition of colors I make a little sketch with soft pastels. This material suits very nice to prepare for making oil artwork because the colors are pretty similar and you can use it as a sketch for your large painting. It will help you to think through this composition, so you only replace it in the future to a large format. You can create several sketches and then choose the best one with the best composition. You can create your large painting. It can help you to reduce the chance of failing on a big format. Okay, meanwhile I am applying the large stains with my pastel crayons. So you see, I put my crayon on a side. For this I mercilessly tear off these paper covers, which are very nice, but I cannot put my crayon on the side with them. And I apply my colors with large surfaces. I like to use my fingers to smooth the surfaces and colors with each other. So I am applying large patches of colors to see myself relations between these patches. How large they will be, how bright they will be, how detailed they will be. All of this I can see on my small sketch. The advantage of soft pastels is that you can also mix them with each other, just like in oils. And the pigments are also pretty similar with oils, so I use this cerulean color. I mix it with phthalo blue. You have these pigments also in oils and also in acrylic. What I noticed in this view, Macedonia view, that the color theme was like turquoise colors of the sky and sea. It was not really bright turquoise color, but little bit of turquoise hue in contrast with brownish church and brownish rocks. So I found this composition of colors pretty nice, and here I will mix my my blue color, my cerulean blue and phthalo blue, little bit with yellow, lemon yellow, so it will help me to get this little bit turquoise color. So you see, this yellowish color helps to highlight these clouds, and also it mixes a little bit with cerulean and gives us turquoise color. Never mix yellow with ultramarine to get turquoise. It doesn't work. Only cerulean or maybe Prussian blue also can help. Phthalo blue pigment, not ultramarine. It gives you only dirt. I often use my fingers to mix colors with each other. I'm not afraid of dirt on my fingers, and this technique gives you a smooth transition between colors, and I especially like it when I make a background. On the front side, sometimes I use strokes and hatch, but for the background I like more smoothen surfaces, so I use my fingers to mix colors and make my surface more soft and subtle. Usually I apply a background first, and then I apply foreground with details and so on. But in this case I wanted to create my church before I make all the background, because the mixture of the blue and when I apply already blue sky, and then I will put my brownish color upon it, it will mix, and these two colors, blue and brown, will give a little bit dirt. So I didn't want it to make this mixture of the colors, so I have chosen to make details first and then apply the rest of the background. It can be also a little bit difficult, but it is a sketch, this study, so it is not a large painting and can be some negligence in it. It won't be a problem. Sometimes little incompleteness looks really nice in sketches. I'm not afraid to use black color in soft pastels. I never use it in watercolor or oil or acrylic, but in pastels it is not a problem to use black. It gives deepness to our shadows, and with mixture with other colors it gives also a pretty dark hue. So in soft pastels, don't be afraid to use black color. What I could say for now, it looks little bit broken composition, because all the stains are a part of each other, but yeah, for me it is easier to see all the relations between stains, patches and objects and surfaces and colors. So for me it is easier, but it is not per se. You don't have to repeat my manner of painting. You can do it by yourself. You can make first the foreground, first the background, then the foreground. But for me it is easier, because I see this way I see all my objects, and then I feel the empty places. For me it is easier, but you don't have to do the same. Actually, it will be quite difficult to get between these green trees, because my finger doesn't fit between them to make this surface of the sea smooth. I will use the special pen with a rubber point to smoothen the surface between these trees. But I repeat that you don't have to do my way. You can find your way to paint this. I only show you my vision. Thank you for watching this video. I would like to wish you to find your way in painting, to find your own vision through sketches. Just take soft pastels and go outside or try to make a sketch from the photo. Enjoy your creativity and don't repeat after someone else. Just create by yourself.